Alright, day 2 of the Dodge Avenger teardown and rebuild. And we're going to start by diving in and getting the coolant drained out of the radiator. Alright, so I can't get it to come out any further, but it is draining slowly. Gotta love the dog's life. Alright, we're gonna let that drain for a little bit, and once it's done, I will bring you guys back in. Okay, coolant is out. I think this will come off now. Okay guys, so now we have this kind of sitting in place. I've got the lower coolant line hooked up to the radiator. I want to go ahead and start connecting some of these electricals and getting the airbag sensors in place. I'm gonna have to sit the camera down though. It's gonna be kind of hard to show you what I'm doing, but it's pretty much just putting the sensors on right here where these bolts are, connecting this all back up, and then when I get done, I'll show you what I've done. Alright, so guys, here we go. We have, it's going to be very hard to see because it's just super bright outside and it's dark in here, so it's hard to get not only the camera to focus, to get my eyes to focus. I got all the wire connections and radiator hoses hooked up, and just got a couple more bolts to put in to hold the washer fluid reservoir to where it needs to be. Put the headlights in, and we'll be ready to put the crash bar and the bumper back on. So coming together pretty quick. We might actually get this project done within a weekend, except for paint work. So let me go ahead and grab the headlights and let's finish it up. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get the crash bar in place, and then we're just about done with this, and we'll get the bumper put on and then the hood switched out. Whew. It's starting to look like a car again. Not bad, not bad. Alright guys, it is almost dark, but we're going to go ahead and keep on working. And get the coolant back in the car here and see if we have any leaks.
A few moments later.
Alright. Let's look under here real quick. Now these spots here are from earlier, but I'm going to use the camera to see. I don't see any leaks here. I'll have to look at the footage from the camera, see if it picks up any. But everything's looking pretty good from down here. So let's keep going. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and fire up the car, and that way allow the coolant to kind of work its way into the engine and radiator, and we'll see how it runs. So alright, so sounds really good guys. Don't see any leaks anywhere except for where I spilled a little bit of coolant earlier. Let's go up underneath here and see what we got. Alright, now we know that it runs and I don't see any leaks. I'm going to go ahead and check out all the lights, make sure they work before I put the bumper on. Okay, we almost have a repaired car, so we go ahead and get the bumper and throw it on. We'll probably end up taking it back off to paint it, but for now, I'm going to go ahead and get the bumper on and then get the hood off of the parked car. Alright guys, I forgot to hit the record button again putting the bumper on, but there's really not much to miss. I just basically picked up the bumper, pushed it into the brackets, and Now I've just got to put the snaps in place, put a couple screws on the bottom, and that'll be that. Alright, next thing we're going to do before it gets dark is go ahead and get the old hood, or the park car hood, onto this car. Alright, so the car is pretty much put back together, but before we call it quits, I want to go ahead and drive it up the street and back and just see how it runs. Okay, so after a quick drive, thought it drove pretty good. And we'll do a better walk around when the sun comes back out, but we still have a little work to do. Obviously paint work, switch out the wheels, and polish it up and get it ready to sell. So thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the content, and check us out on Instagram at Casey's Garage TV. And we will catch you guys on the next video.